Hello everyone. Welcome to the Military Center channel.
The U.S. Air Force has conducted an impressive elephant walk, involving 48 F-35A Lightning IIs and 12 F-16s during a routine readiness exercise at Eielson Air Force Base. Elephant walk is a USAF term that refers to the taxiing of military aircraft just before takeoff, when they are in close formation. The demonstration was part of a base training operation that trained the FW-354's ability to rapidly produce and launch the F-35A Lightning II and F-16 Fighting Falcon aircraft. The event provides an opportunity for airmen to hone their upscale readiness skills. Since the demonstration of our capabilities in March 2022, we received our last F-35 and completed our fleet, said Colonel David Birkeland, commander of the 354th FW. The 354th FW has power and we are ready to project air power anytime, anywhere. The F-35A is the U.S. Air Force's newest fifth-generation fighter. It will replace the U.S. Air Force's aging fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons and A-10 Thunderbolt IIs, which have been the primary fighter aircraft for more than 20 years. And brings with it enhanced capabilities to survive in advanced threat environments in which it is designed to operate. With advanced aerodynamic performance and integrated avionics, the F-35A will provide next-generation stealth, increase situational awareness, and reduce vulnerability for the United States and allies. Eielson's location in Alaska makes it the ideal place to launch air power capable of reaching anywhere in the Northern Hemisphere in one sortie. Our location is a huge asset, says Birkeland. We are able to provide world-class training because of our proximity to the Joint Pacific-Alaska Range Complex. And we can support projections of all types of aircraft, including permanently deployed F-35s and other strategic air powers, across the globe. We are ready to answer the call. After demonstration of capability, pilots conduct local training sorties at Park. The FW-354 is the world's premier fifth-generation fighter wing ready to compete, deter, and win high-end battles with diverse, ready and innovative forces.